tangent cubed of x is a composite function, so to take its derivative, we need to use the chain rule, which I've written here for your reference. The derivative of f of g is f prime of g times g prime. So let's identify our f and our g and then apply the rule. In this case, f, our outside function, is the cubing function, and our g, the inside function, is the thing being cubed, which is tangent of x. So applying the chain rule, we begin with f prime of g. That's the derivative of the outside layer, leaving the inside function unchanged. Now remember, the derivative of x cubed is just 3x squared, so that's just like what we're going to have, except our inside function is tangent, so instead of 3x squared, we're going to have 3 times tangent squared. That's f prime of g, and then we just have to multiply by g prime, the derivative of the inside function, which is tangent. The derivative of tangent, hopefully you remember, is secant squared, and so we just multiply by secant squared, and that's our derivative. The derivative of tangent cubed of x is 3 tangent squared of x times secant squared of x.